Welcome to All Kids TV.
$500,000 Squid Game in real life. Kids story. Hello kids. Today we're going to hear an exciting story about a group of friends who played a special game for a big prize. Are you ready? One day, a group of friends received a special invitation. It was for a big game where they could win $500,000. They were so excited and couldn't wait to play it. They arrived at the game arena, which was full of fun colors and decorations. The first game was about to begin. The first game was hopscotch. The kids took turns hopping on one foot and trying to reach the end without falling. Everyone cheered for each other. The second game was Tug of War. The kids formed teams and pulled the rope with all their might. It was a close match, but everyone had fun. The final game was an obstacle course. The kids raced through slides, tunnels, and hurdles. They all tried their best to finish the course. After all the games, it was time for the big prize. They opened a treasure chest and found a giant check for $500,000. They couldn't believe their eyes and celebrated together. The friends decided to share the prize. They bought toys, helped their families, and even donated to charity. They learned that playing together and sharing is the best prize of all. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, kids. Remember, playing fair and being kind are the most important parts of any game. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.